Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mathematics by Fana. Today let us see the ninth question of exercise 10.2. In the given figure, xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O and another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. Prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. We have to prove angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Let us deconstruct the diagram. They are given two tangents, parallel tangents xy and x dash y dash, and their points of contact be D and E respectively. They are also given another tangent AB, point of contact C, and crossing xy at A and x dash y dash at B. In this diagram, OD, OC and OE are the radius. We have to prove angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. We can prove it by considering this whole angle. We know that angle DOA, angle AO plus angle AOC plus COB plus angle BOE gives us 180 degree as they are linear pair angles. Let us name them as angle 1, 2, 3 and 4. To get angle 2 plus angle 3, that is angle AOB is equal to 90 degree, we have to prove angle 1 and 2 are equal, 3 and 4 are equal. How can we do it? We can prove it by using congruency of triangles. Triangle AOD and triangle AOC are congruent, and triangle BOC and BOE are congruent. We have to prove them. Let us see how to prove them. Consider triangle AOD and triangle AOC. AO is the common side. OD and OC are radius. And we find that point A is the external point from which two tangents are drawn, and the point of contact are D and C, and they are equal in length. According to theorem 10.2, tangents drawn from an external point of circle are equal in length. So AD is equal to AC. That is, tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal in length. Therefore, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle AOC by triple S property, which gives us angle AOD is equal to angle AOC by congruent parts of congruent triangle, that is angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Let this be equation 1. Similarly, we can prove that triangle BOC is congruent to triangle BOE. How? Triangle BOC is congruent to triangle BOE by triple S property. OB is the common side, OC and OE are radius, and BE is equal to BC because they are tangents from an external point to a circle and they are equal in length according to theorem 10.2. From this we can deduct angle BOC is equal to angle BOE. That is, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Let this be equation 2. We initially know that angle AOD plus AOC plus COB plus BOE is equal to 180 degree because they are linear pairs. Let us write them. Angle AOD plus angle AOC plus angle BOC plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree because they are linear pairs. We know AOD, we have named AOD as angle 1, AOC as 2, BOC as 3 and EBOU as 4. We also know that angle 1 is equal to 2 and 3 is equal to 4. Substituting them, we get angle 2 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Here we see 2 times angle 2 and 2 times angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Taking 2 common, we get angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Taking 2 to the opposite side, angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 by 2, that is 90 degrees. You also know that angle 2 and angle 3 are AOC plus COB. AOC plus COB is equal to 90 degrees, that is angle AOB. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Hence proved. Thank you. Happy learning.